Hey guys, today, I know I haven't made a video in a while, but we got quite a bit of work done. And I'm going to kind of show you what stuff we've done. And we'll go from there. Okay, we got the coop back on the trailer. How you see me? No, you don't. But we got coop back on the trailer. We changed the El Camino brake pads and cylinder, but still no brakes because the master cylinder is broke. And then 59, I don't know how it's all dusty already, but I got to take that out of the garage the other day. I washed it and I bring it back in and did a little burnout. Mom yelled at me after that because she seen smoke flying out of the big garage door. That was funny. And then the big truck, we got that next to the garage so we can put the bumper in. We're fixing this because it's just dents everywhere there, and we got to put the headlight bezels in. We're putting T-screws, I think. I can't remember, but I can't see up there. But and we got the Firebird in. We're going to start working on that. I've got turkey hunting this weekend, so we won't be able to work too much unless I get one right away. Yeah, with it sitting outside all the time, it was sitting out there, I don't know how many months, but quite a few months. And there's water up in there, and everything's just dirty, dusty, and everything. Yeah. A couple days we've been working quite a bit. We haven't been making as many videos. And Dad, he was naughty, and he got blocked off Facebook. So now, we don't know if this is going to be a YouTube or a Facebook video. We're not sure yet.
You'll have to share it from YouTube to Facebook.
Yeah, we're going to have to share it from YouTube to Facebook.
If I keep it on your account.
Yeah, if he can't get on my account. What else? We got the truck up there. I told him that. What's next? Yeah, I already told him. Yeah, we gotta get this bumper out of there for the Firebird.
It's fine.
It's out of the way at least. Oh yeah, I got a new helmet. Got it for free from our neighbor. Sees me riding around all the time on that. And he said he wasn't going to use it anymore, so he told me I could have it. Oh, it's a lot better.
Yeah, 'cause you broke yours.
Yeah, I broke mine. The visor or whatever them are called snapped off. I gotta clean this up too.
What are you changing on it?
Can't remember. The
T-bolts on it?
T-bolts for the valve covers.
And just figure out a kickdown cable.
Yeah, we gotta figure out a kickdown cable. It doesn't work.
And why is the Firebird back in the garage?
I don't know. Because we put it back in the garage.
Put it back in the garage.
So
we start sanding on it again?
Yeah.
Primer on it.
We have to bring the Firebird in so we can sand it down and prime it. Then we can paint it.
Now that we got a big enough air compressor.
Oh yeah.
Big air compressor. Now you and me can both work at the same time.
Yeah. Chair's missing.
You gotta sit.
Yeah. We got rid of our chair, taking up too much room, and it was junk anyway. And yeah, we just gotta clean up everything that we did before, because all of it's dull, the paint. It's all dull.
Poor 15 does that in the sun.
Yeah, poor 15 does that in the sun a lot. So, oh yeah, we're watching Vice Grip Garage.
They should check it out if they...
Yeah, you should check it out.
He's funny.
He is really funny. Yeah, but we gotta get all the stickers off the car and the truck. We gotta get them off the back window. That won't be too hard, I think.
So, you're gonna get to work and...
Yeah, we gotta get to work before we leave.
Yeah, 'cause you're gonna be gone all weekend.
Yeah. Yeah, we gotta get this done.
So, alright.
Alright, I'll try making another video once we start doing a little bit more. And alright, I think that's it. See you later.